This is a Talk of the Town Extra.
I'm Tawanda Coleman. If your health has been negatively affected by exposure to asbestos, you may be entitled to a settlement. Attorney Jim Higgins is here to tell us about a recent case where a jury awarded nearly $37 million to the plaintiffs. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
That's a lot of money.
Yeah.
Tell us about this asbestos verdict and why it was so large.
Well, I think it's so large, and why we see large verdicts in asbestos is because mainly the companies, even though they knew of this danger years and years ago, they continued to produce it and put people at risk. And, you know, that's just something that makes people angry on these juries, because it's a horrible way to die from asbestos exposure.
So what is your typical asbestos case like?
Well, usually, you know, somebody now may be in their 80s, they worked around this earlier in their life. They may have been a boilermaker or in the Navy shipyards or electrician or roofer. A lot of it was in the trades, this substance. And they don't find out about it till much later in life when they go to the doctor and they'll get a diagnosis of mesothelioma, which is really asbestos is about the only thing that can cause it.
Wow. So when would be a good time for someone, if they may be thinking that this is something that they have, when should they contact your office?
Immediately. I mean, they should really contact us immediately, because Tennessee has a very short timeline of when you can file this. Now, it doesn't start to run until your doctor says you've got this asbestos-related disease, but you need to move quickly when that happens. And we don't mind talking to people. They can call us anytime and discuss whether they should move forward with it or not. And you know, it's hard, because when they get that diagnosis, buddy, that's hard. Yeah. It's hard knowing that you've got that problem, which can, you know, be life. Well, most of the time it has a high mortality rate.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Jim.
Thank you.
For more information about the Higgins Firm, visit their website at thehigginsfirm.com or contact them at the number you see on the screen.